Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Today I have made a special video. This special video is for those students who are very weak in mathematics. So I have made a very basic mathematics. So before starting this lecture, I would like to wish you, because today is Jummah, it's Friday, so I would like to wish you Jummah Mubarak for Muslims and Happy New Year in advance for everyone. So today's topic is base and exponent. So in this lecture, actually we will identify the base and exponent. So we have four numbers, so we will find four bases and four exponents. Okay, so we have four numbers here. So you see first number, look at first number is 2 raised power 3. 2 raised power 3 means base is 2 here, and this 3 is exponent. What does it mean in practical life? 2 raised power 3 means 2, you multiply 2, you multiply base is a 2, 3 times 2 times 2 times 2, which is equal to 8. Therefore 2 raised power 3 is 8. So for this number 7 raised power 15, so base would be 7, exponent is 15 here. Its third number is 108 raised power 64. Notice this parenthesis. This all together is base. Base is here 108 and exponent is 64. And last number is minus 189 raised to the power 10. So base is 189 here and exponent is 10 here. Hope you enjoy, and thank you for watching. Again, wish you a happy new year 2022 in advance. I want today from you, like my videos as much as possible. Too many. Okay, thank you. Take care. Happy New Year.